Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Cell Survivor game stuck on loading screen or not loading on Android devices. Then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply turn on airplane mode on your Android device or flight mode. Just wait for few seconds and then turn off airplane mode. And then connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now you can go ahead, launch this Cell Survivor game and check if your problem is solved or not. Just launch it. Now just wait, it will take some time. Just wait for a few seconds. It is now loading, please wait. As you can see that game has loaded properly. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to clear the app cache of the Cell Survivor. So tap and hold the Cell Survivor app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Now go back, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then open Play Store, tap on search for Cell Survivor and then tap on it. And if you see any update option available for this app, then update it and make sure that your Cell Survivor game is up to date to the latest version, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And at the last you can also restart your device once, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Cell Survivor not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.